Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a phone number from your United Airlines online account to keep your contact information clean and updated. Before your next United Airlines flight, make sure you're packed like a pro. Check out our ultimate travel packing list, everything you need for a smooth, stress-free trip. We've linked our favorite travel essentials in the description below. To start, go to united.com, then click on the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. On the field provided, enter your email or MileagePlus number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter the password. Then click on Sign In. A verification code will be sent to the number connected on your account. Enter the 6-digit code on the fields provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see an option that says View My United. Click on View My United. Next, on this page, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says Contact Information. You will then be redirected to this page. Under Contact Information, you will see a list of your currently added phone numbers. Below it is a blue text that says Remove. Click on Remove. A pop-up tab will appear asking if you are sure to remove the selected phone number. To proceed, click on Remove. That's how you remove a phone number on your United Airlines online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.